Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stellaris console. First, familiarize yourself with the main menu, where you can start a new game or load a saved one. Next, dive into the tutorial to grasp core mechanics like resource gathering and fleet movement. Pay close attention to your starting empire's traits, as these significantly influence your early game strategy. Remember, a strong foundation in the first 20 to 30 years is crucial for galactic domination. Once your empire is established, focus on rapid expansion. Send out your science ships to explore new systems, looking for valuable resources and anomalies. Simultaneously, use your construction ships to claim systems and build mining and research stations. Aim to secure at least 5 to 7 new systems within the first 50 years. This early resource advantage will fuel your technological and military growth throughout the game. As your empire grows, the mid-game shifts towards consolidation and interaction. Specialize your planets for specific outputs, like energy credits or minerals, to maximize efficiency. Maintain a balanced economy, ensuring you have sufficient reserves of all 4 primary resources. Engage in diplomacy, forming alliances or rivalries, which can significantly impact your galactic standing. Aim for a fleet power of at least 5,000 by the 100-year mark. In the late game, prepare for major galactic events and potential crises that can challenge even the strongest empires. Continue to research advanced technologies, unlocking powerful ships and megastructures like Dyson spheres. Focus on achieving one of the game's victory conditions, whether it's domination, technological ascension, or a diplomatic victory. Ensure your fleet remains robust, with at least 20,000 power, ready to defend your borders and conquer your foes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.